channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to teach you rational numbers. This is part 2 video on rational numbers. If you haven't watched that video, you immediately watch that video and then watch this video. In this part 2, we are going to learn represent rational numbers on number line, rational number between two rational numbers, main method and easy method. Let us learn one by one. First, represent rational numbers on number line. We know very well how to represent natural numbers on number line, whole numbers on number line, integers on number line. Let us see those ones. Natural numbers. N on number line. And so on. Whole numbers. W on number line. Integers. Integers I or Z on number line. -1, -2 on left side. Let us see one more example. Represent 29/6 on number line. So this is a improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than denominator. That's why we convert into mixed fraction. Six fours are 24. 5. 4 5/6. 4 5/6. 4 5/6 into 4 plus 5/6. So it is lies between 4 and 5. This 29/6 lies between 4 and 5. That's why we have to draw a whole number line taking 4 and 5 on number line. This is the 4, this is the 5, and divide it 6 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal parts. Counting from 4, we have to place 5. Count to 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the required rational number 29/6. 29/6. Now, rational number between two rational numbers. Let us discuss what we learnt in previous classes. What are natural numbers? What are natural numbers between 1 and 5? 2, 3, 4. Are there any natural numbers between 1 and 2? Are there any natural numbers between 1 and 2? No. What are whole numbers? What are whole numbers? Between 0 and 4, 1, 2, 3. Are there any whole numbers between 0 and 1? Are there any whole numbers between 0 and 1? No whole numbers between 0 and 1. What are integers? What are integers between -2 and 2? We know -1, 0, 1. Are there any integers between -1 and 0? Are there any integers between -1 and 0? No. No integers between -1 and 0. Did you find any? Yes, we can find by observing this. 1, 2, 3. Any two successive numbers, 1, 2. Successive numbers means side by side numbers. Between any two successive numbers, there are no natural numbers. Between any two successive whole numbers, there are no whole numbers. Between any two successive integers, there are no integers. But we can find rational numbers between any two rational numbers or any two numbers. There are two methods to find a rational number between two rational numbers. They are method 1, mean method, second one, simple method or easy method. Let us see one by one. Mean method. In this method, if A and B, any two numbers, A and B, any two numbers, either numbers, natural, whole, integers or rational numbers. Any two numbers, then the rational number between A and B is a plus b by 2. This is the method. Let us see one example. Find the rational number between between 1 and 2. Find the rational number between 1 and 2. In this, this is the 1 is the A, 2 is the B. So we have the formula A plus B by 2. So 1 plus 2 by 2. 3 by 2, which is exactly lies between 1 and 2. We can say this in on number line 0, 1, 2. Each unit divide two parts, two equal parts, 0, 1, 2. This is 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 nothing but 1, 3 by 2. This is the rational number between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Next, we can find the rational number between 1 and 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2, this is the A, this is the B. LCM 2, 2 1 the 2, 1 3 the 3. 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2 into 1 by 2. 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 between exactly 1 and 3 by 2. Here 5 by 4. Between 1 and 2, 3 by 2. Between 1 and 3 by 2, 5 by 4. These two are in between 2. In this simple or easy method, one example, find two rational numbers between 3 and 4. Since to find two rational numbers, that's why we have to take 3 and 4 rational numbers as denominators. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 3 as denominator, and 4. Similarly, 4 also 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Now we can say the rational numbers between 3 and 4. 9 after 10 by 3, 11 by 3. These are lies between 3. 3 means so 9 by 3. 12 by 3 is equal to 4. These are lies between 3 and 4. If we want to find 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4, we have to write 3 and 4 as rational numbers with the denominator 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. That is 3 is equal to 3 6 are 18 and 4 is equal to 4 6 are 24. So now we can identify the rational numbers between 3 and 4. 19 by 6, 20 by 6, 21 by 6, 22 by 6, 23 by 6. 3 is equal to 18 by 6 less than 19 by 6 less than 20 by 6 less than 21 by 6 less than 22 by 6 less than 20 by 6 less than 24 by 6. These are 5 rational numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We can write infinity rational numbers between any two rational numbers using this simple method within single step. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to subscribe my channel, you immediately subscribe and share it to your friends.